Password is an ESL vocabulary activity that makes a great review. So the way it works is that I get a notebook or I get pieces of A4 paper, and then I write the vocabulary words that I want to review on it, one word per piece of paper. I divide the class into two teams, and then the first team sends up a person to the front, and they sit in a chair facing towards their team, and I stand behind them with the words. I show the word to the team, and they have to describe that word to the person sitting in the chair who has to guess what it is. So you can do it two different ways. You can time how long it takes the team to describe that word, and maybe it was 20 seconds, so then that team gets 20 seconds. And then you can play a certain number of rounds, and the team with the lowest time is the winner. Or you can do rounds of 1 minute, and the team can try to get as many words as possible within that 1 minute. I do not allow the first language. Students have to shout out words in English only. That's the key to this game. Okay, so that is it for Password. It's kind of just a fun review activity for vocabulary. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment as well. Okay, until next time. Bye, everybody.